Did you know pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror? Yeah, they're one of the few animals that actually know they're them. Here are cool pigeon facts you didn't know. Fact 2. Pigeons can find their way home from over 1,000 miles away. GPS? Nah, just vibes and magnetism. Fact 3. They were once used to carry messages during wars, and some even got medals for bravery. Fact 4. Pigeons can see ultraviolet light, meaning they literally see the world in colors we can't even imagine. Fact 5. Pigeons can recognize human faces and remember who's nice or mean to them. Now finally, fact 6. Do you think this is true? Some pigeons are actually government drones that recharge on power lines when no one's looking.